Imagine a time over 200 million years ago when the Earth was home to a massive supercontinent called Pangaea. This colossal landmass began to break apart, sending pieces drifting across the planet. Among these fragments were two landmasses, the ancient continent of Gondwana, which included what we now know as India, and the vast land of Laurasia to the north. As millions of years passed, the Indian landmass started a slow but relentless journey northward, crossing the vast ocean that lay between it and Asia. This journey was not a simple stroll, it was a geologic marathon. The Indian plate moved at a speed of about 15 centimeters per year, faster than any other plate in Earth's history. For comparison, that's roughly the speed at which your fingernails grow. Around 50 million years ago, the Indian plate collided with the Eurasian plate. Imagine two colossal giants crashing into each other, with neither willing to back down. The impact was so immense that the Earth's crust crumpled and folded, giving birth to the majestic and the tallest mountain range on the planet, the Himalayan range. But the formation of the Himalayas was just the beginning of their story. These mountains didn't just rise, they changed the world. This mountain range acts as a colossal barrier, influencing the climate of the entire Asian continent. By blocking cold winds from the north, they help to keep the Indian subcontinent warm. But perhaps their most significant impact has been on the monsoon system. The summer monsoon, vital for the agriculture of billions, is a direct result of these towering peaks. When warm, moist air from the Indian Ocean hits the Himalayas, it's forced upward, cooling and condensing to form the monsoon rains. Without the Himalayas, the monsoon as we know it wouldn't exist, and much of Asia might have been a desert. The rivers born from the melting Himalayan glaciers, like the Ganga, Indus, and Brahmaputra, have nurtured civilizations for thousands of years. They provide water to nearly 1 billion people, making the Himalayas a lifeline for one of the most densely populated regions in the world. Today, the Himalayas continue to stand as sentinels of the Earth's climate. Their glaciers, though retreating due to global warming, still hold the largest reserve of fresh water outside the polar regions. The mountains are also home to a staggering diversity of life, including species found nowhere else on Earth. But with this beauty comes fragility. The Himalayas are a region of intense seismic activity, with earthquakes and landslides posing a constant threat. The delicate balance of this ecosystem is under pressure not just from climate change, deforestation, and the growing needs of the human population, but also from the fact that this mountain range is still growing taller at the rate of 1 centimeter per year. As we look to the future, these gigantic mountains will continue to play a pivotal role in Earth's story. Their glaciers, though shrinking, will remain crucial water sources, and their unique ecosystems will be key indicators of the planet's health. The monsoon patterns influenced by these mountains will remain vital for agriculture in Asia. However, the Himalayas also serve as a stark reminder of the power of nature. As climate change accelerates, the potential for more severe natural disasters increases. But the Himalayas are also a symbol of resilience. They have weathered millions of years of geological upheaval, and in their rugged peaks, they hold the history of the Earth itself. The Himalayas are more than just mountains. They are the pulse of the planet. They remind us that while we can shape our environment, we are also shaped by it. Their story is a testament to the incredible forces that have sculpted our world, and their future will be a measure of how well we can adapt to the changes we face. So, as you happen to gaze upon these mighty peaks, remember that you are looking at not just mountains, but a living, breathing chapter of Earth's history, a story that continues to unfold, shaping our world in ways both seen and unseen.